A seamless online purchase process is another reason to experience the best at Lichtsinn RV. For decades, we've safely helped guests with their internet purchase and ensuring they can purchase as factory direct as it gets, with us being only 1 mile from the Winnebago Factory here in Forest City, Iowa. There are no additional costs, taxes, or surprise dealer fees from purchasing out of state from Lichtsinn RV. You'll find many surprise dealer prep fees, dealer admin fees, and other miscellaneous fees from other RV dealers. You'll always pay your tax and license in your titling state with no additional taxes due in the state of Iowa. Once we help find the right RV for you, the next steps are easy. We very simply draft a standard motor vehicle purchase agreement which will outline what we've already discussed. We then do a simple down payment, which in many cases is a credit card over the phone, or you can send a personal check or wire for the down payment on custom orders. We then email both of these for you to sign electronically and safely from your smartphone, tablet, or PC. Once we receive these back, you'll receive a copy, we'll receive a copy. We then discontinue marketing the RV and begin the prep process. Or if a custom order, we'll place that order with Winnebago Industries. We also, of course, offer financing and insurance for your RV right here at Lichtsinn RV. For factory orders, we use technology to provide you weekly updates exactly where your coach is at in the manufacturing process. Once those dates settle in, you can then book your airfare and provide to us and take advantage of our courtesy transportation program, where you can fly into any airport, usually Minneapolis, St. Paul, or Des Moines International Airports, where we'll have a driver waiting for you in baggage claim. Then when you return to the campground here at Lichtsinn RV, you can then use that courtesy vehicle for the time that you're here for your factory fresh delivery. Upon arrival, your RV will be set up in our campground resort, where we encourage you to stay for however long during your delivery or any time that you're in for service, all at no cost. What people rave about on our Google and Facebook reviews is our half-day educational orientation with our certified technicians. If preferred, we can also send this to you via a live video feed, or we can pre-record and send to you in advance. The main purpose of the educational orientation is twofold. The first and most important is to become 100% knowledgeable on the RV, where our certified technicians will cover every switch, every feature, covering what to do, covering what not to do. We'll also cover maintenance and warranty. The second purpose is this allows you to thoroughly inspect the RV prior to doing your financial closing. If you do have a trade-in, we'll line up your trade-in side by side for you easily to move, and throughout that process providing a memo pad to jot down any questions, waking up the next morning and reconvening. While you're here, we have a fully stocked parts and accessories camping store, so you don't have to worry about what to bring, and this allows you to practice camp for a night, a couple of nights, or however long you need to feel fully acclimated with your RV. While you are here, you can take in an award-winning factory tour and take advantage of our full team of support personnel with your dedicated, appointed, personal service concierge and parts representative to fulfill your every need and to develop that relationship for a lifetime. Be sure to check out our Google reviews and Facebook reviews, many of our guests detailing this award-winning educational orientation experience so that you can experience the best here at Lichtsinn RV.